Hi guys, here I have GOT7's third mini album, Just Right. This was released a few months ago and it looks like that outside. And so this is actually a signed edition. I got a random member signature in here, that it's in there. And so I think that this signature is from Jackson. I think that's his signature, so that's how it looks. I bought this in Kpoptown, by the way, and yeah, it comes with 3 little photo books. I'm going to show you this one first. This comes like with the CD in there, that's how it looks. And I'm going to show you the photos. I really like this album and the concept like of the music video. I think that the title song is very nice. It sounds like a powerful message. Yeah, I think it's a very nice song. Also, I really like the fact that I got Jackson's signature because he's one of my bias in this group. My first bias is JB though, but I wasn't lucky enough to get his signature. So I'm happy with Jackson anyway, since I really like him. Jackson is also very funny, that's why I like him. Then like blank pages, and here we have the lyrics, I think. And the credits. And that was for the first photo book. Then we have this pink one with 3 members on the cover. And here we have a lot of advertisement. I think I've never seen an album before with so much advertisement. Yeah, that's a lot. And I also got Bam Bam's photo card. This is the second time I got one of his photo cards. I also have his photo cards for the Identify album, so the second time I get him. And I got the postcard for Yu Young. I'm not sure how to pronounce his name, I'm sorry, but that's how I call him. So he's the magnet, I think. And this is the photo book, and the colors are very shiny. JB. Oh, here are the thanks to office member. Mark says something in English and in Korean. Yuyeon. The 3 members. The other 4 members. Oh, that's such a long text. Jackson wrote a lot. Junior, it's also very long. Yang, Bam Bam, a group shot. Those are like the hands. And that's the last one. And here we have a cover with the other 4 members. Yang, Jackson, Bam Bam, and Junior. Oh, it's like not in very good condition. I think that's my fault though. So JP, the leader, he's so cute. And Mark, I love his hoodie, by the way. I really love that. Yu Young, Jackson, Junior, Yang. We have a lot of blank pages in here, by the way. Bam Bam, 3 members, another 4 members, a group photo, all their hands with the sign, and that was it. Yeah, that was the last one. So this was this unboxing. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye.